I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Hi guys, welcome to Zuri Chat and welcome to our channel. Today is a Saturday. I'm at the Charanna Farm in Suboiga in Meru. There is a 4x4 challenge. Today is a rehearsal. Tomorrow is going to be the main event. So I really had to bring you around to just get to see what's happening. Before I proceed, if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed to our channel, please do not forget to do so below this video. And also let us know what you generally think about our videos. Mt.Kenya 4x4 challenge is an out-of-town event. It's very good for off-road enthusiasts, for professionals, and also for thrill seekers. So if you're someone who's into the thrill of getting to see the cars, just taking up a lot of challenges, this is the perfect place for you to be. Some of the challenges that are taking place in this location include mud holes, going through mud holes. They're filling them with lots of water, so it's extremely muddy. And we also have very steep hills. You are going to shortly see some of the videos I took of the cars trying to ascend a very steep hills. And it's not just one, there's several of them. This event is taking place on Mount Kenya, which is also the gateway to the Kenya's northern corridor. Hi guys, I am super excited. I'm at the Charanna Farm and I am standing next to the amazing owner of this farm. I just have two questions for you. First, introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Humphrey Kiruki, but when they want to nice me up, they call me Charanna.
Okay.
Charanna, I derived the name Charanna from my late parents.
Okay.
My dad was Charles and my mom was Anna,
Okay.
so it makes the name Charanna. And the young man here is Charles.
Okay.
So you can get the drift, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. So why Charanna Farm? Why did you decide to do this here on your farm?
Well, I have been a motorsports person.
Yes.
I am a guy who follows all the WRC courses, or motorsports, anything that moves fast.
Okay.
So I follow the Safari Rally, the WRC, Formula One.
Yeah.
So I'm a speed junkie. I love that.
Yeah.
So that's why we are here. So when I got the land,
Yeah.
it's a bit not very good for farming.
Okay.
I thought, what should I do? So this thing came up. We decided to set up 4x4 track.
Yeah.
We also set up an autocross track. You must have seen the sport buggies doing some speed up the farm.
Yes.
So this is where we are, and
Yeah.
we are waiting for the next journey to take us somewhere. So
And
who knows?
I saw you in action yesterday.
Yes.
This car.
Yes.
And I was thrilled.
Yes, currently I'm doing, I'm rebuilding a Land Cruiser FJ45, very powerful machine.
Okay.
But in the meantime, I'm playing with this doo-doo. This is a Nissan Sahara QD32. It's a good performer. I hope I am leading on the baby class. So I hope I'm leading on the baby class. Let's see how the day takes us.
Yeah.
So that's
I
what
can
it
see
is.
you're quite busy,
Yes.
so I'll not take a lot of your time.
Yeah.
But I think one of the things I'm taking out of this is the fact that we've all been going to Nairobi for this event.
Correct.
So it's really nice for people now to come to Meru and market to Meru.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
it's a good initiative.
It is, because honestly, this is the most exciting destination, motorsport destination,
Yes.
at the foot of Mount Kenya.
Yes.
If you understand the geography of this place,
Yeah.
we have Mount Kenya up here, we
Yeah.
have Lewa just 1 kilometer away from us, we have the Nyambene Hills down the road. So basically, we are at it. We are basically at the middle point of Kenya.
Yeah.
So Samburu is down, it's always 20 minutes from here.
Okay.
So we're basically at the middle point of Kenya. I do not think there is another place that is so strategic in Kenya
Absolutely.
for motorsport than Charanna Farm.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
It was my pleasure.
I'll release you.
Yes, please. Thank
All
you.
the best.
Cheers. Thank you.
Cheers.
Okay.
Okay. The other good thing about this event is that it's secured. We have security around, and we also have an ambulance in case anyone falls ill and needs to be treated, or any of the off-road drivers get into any sort of accident, God forbid. We have an ambulance on the ready to take them or to just give them very quick first aid. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Stay happy, keep smiling. Bye.